Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to add linky logo in Canva resume. So I'm just going to share you the step-to-step guide to help you out. So the first thing we are going to do is access your Canva account and open the resume design you want to edit. So from there, in the left sidebar, click on the element tab and type linky logo in the search bar. Once you do that, browse through the available linky logo and select the one you like. Click on it and add it to your resume. Once you do that, drag and drop the linky logo to the desired location of your resume. You can resize and adjust its position and as needed. Once you do that, to make the logo clickable, select the logo and click on the link icon in the top toolbar. Enter your linky profile and apply to it. Once you do that, once you are satisfied with the placement and link, save your changes and download your resume in your preferred format. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.